Right, so here we are at the cPanel, and we're about to do what they call the one-click WordPress install. Now this is the area where you can adjust a whole bunch of stuff about the hosting on your account. You can create email accounts, you can add and remove files, but for now we're just going to scroll down to the bottom of this page and choose our soft delicious app installer. This will give us the option to install WordPress with one click. You can see there are stacks of other things that you can install on your website if you like. We're going to stick with WordPress. That gives us a lot of flexibility as a platform. So just wander over here to click on the Install Now button. As you go through, we'll just update a couple of these little pieces of information. Now we don't need to actually change anything as we go here. In this one we can change the name and the description of our site. We need to create an admin username and password, which we'll use in a minute to log back into our blog. I say blog, but it's a website which has the option for a blog. We'll just put the password in here as well. This is anything you like. And we haven't created ourselves an email address yet, but I'll put my regular email into that box there. And that's practically everything. So we can just hit the install button and wait a few moments for it to do what it does. And it's pretty quick. So now we have our website. I'm just going to click here on the domain and open it up into a new tab. And you can see now that we actually have an installation of WordPress with the 2017 theme install. So what we'll do now is we can click on the bottom one here and open it up into the dashboard. Now I had actually just done this just to test it all before I did the recording, and what you'll find is you'll come up to this page when you click this link. So it kept me logged in, but all you need to do is enter your username and password that we created when we installed WordPress, and then hit the login button and you'll be right here as well. Okay, that's it. That's a one-click install for WordPress. See you in the next video.